As a second example on the trigonometric ratios that you're expected to know exact values for, consider this right-angled isosceles triangle. Since it is isosceles, the remaining two angles must both be 45 degrees. If we consider the length of the hypotenuse here, and we could call it x, by Pythagoras' theorem, x squared is equal to 1 squared plus 1 squared, so x squared is equal to 2. X is then root 2. So the length of the hypotenuse is root 2. If we now consider the sine of 45 degrees. The sine of 45 degrees is the opposite divided by the hypotenuse, which is 1 over root 2. The cosine of 45 degrees is the adjacent over the hypotenuse, which is 1 over root 2. The tangent of 45 degrees is equal to the opposite over the adjacent, which is 1. Note here that the sine of 45 and the cos of 45 are equal. This is worth noting. 45 degrees is the first angle for which the sine and the cosine are equal in value.